Integrating vectors. We've seen with variable acceleration that to go from displacement to acceleration we differentiate, and we mentioned, of course, at the same time that going in the opposite direction we would integrate, because we can view differentiation and integration as being reverse processes. Just as with differentiation, we can integrate vectors. We just integrate the components in the same way that we just differentiated components before. So velocity would be the integral of acceleration, and displacement would be the integral of velocity. As usual, when working with vectors, we've replaced the s for displacement with r.